Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we'll show you how to map a network drive in Windows 11 and guide you through each step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer from the taskbar, Start menu, or press Windows key plus C. This opens your main file window. Step 2. Select this PC from the left pane. It shows all your drives and network locations. Step 3. On the ribbon, click More Options, then Map Network Drive. This opens the mapping dialog. Step 4. Select a drive letter from the list. This is how the drive appears in File Explorer. Step 5. Type the folder path or click Browse to locate it. This connects Windows to the network folder. Step 6. Check Reconnect at Sign In to reconnect automatically every time. Step 7. Click Finish to complete. The drive now appears in this PC. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Touch to Click for more Windows 11 tips.